Hello guys, today I am going to show you my Some Geronimo Stilton book collection. So I have 6 hardcovers and 6 softcovers. That means 12 books and 1 painting by me of Geronimo. So I will start with some of my Kingdom of Fantasy books. So as you can see, I have 2 Kingdom of Fantasy books. One is the 5th adventure and one is 11th. So I will start with 5th adventure. The name is Volcano of Fire. Front side, side view, and the back side. The front side and the back side is connected. And this is not a mystery book. This is an adventure book. You can pick this up if you want. The next book is The Garden of the Realm, 11th Adventure in Kingdom of Fantasy. Side view, back side. So this is also connected. All the Kingdom of Fantasy books are connected. So this is an adventure mystery book. So and funny also. So in this book, Geronimo will get some powers. I will not tell you the powers. So these are my 2 Kingdom of Fantasy books. So here are some of the special editions. One for the Golden Book, one for the 100th Key, and the Corrosion Ghost. So I will go in order. And for the Golden Book is the first edition of the special editions. Front side is a nice front side, red background and golden alphabets. Side view, back side. So 10 years were complete when this book was published, and it also comes with a mini mystery on page number 111 of this book. So I like the mini mystery. I didn't like the story, the main story, but it's okay. And it comes with few jokes and other extra books and some answers of the clues. So there are many clues in the mini mysteries. So and their answers. Up next is The Hunt for the 100th Key. Side view, back side. The mini mystery is Double Cross, and I think that is the best mini mystery. Up next is The Hunt for the Corrosion Ghost. Side view, back side. Mini mystery is Tease Butler. So now I will start with another book. So this is the Operation Secret Recipe. It is the 66th part of Fabulous editions. So all the Fabulous editions are paperback only, but I got this one in hardcover. Like there are 3 books which is in hardcover, including this. So I bought this from hardcover. It is also available in paperback. So I am putting it in my hardcover books. Back side. It's written Who is Geronimo Year and information of the book. Sorry. So now I will start with some of my paperback editions. So I have 3 Fabulous editions in paperback. So the first one is The Haunted Castle. This is a horror book. Side view, back. Again, the standard information. Up next is The Way of the Samurai. This is a second-hand book. The name written over here is Radhika Anand, which is a girl and I am a boy, so I can't be Radhika Anand. And the condition is in bad. See, bad condition book and back side. Now, this is Mouse Overboard. It's my brother's book. My brother told that this is the best, like this book is so good. So, side view and back side. So I will read this book and give you a review in my channel. So now I'm going to start with some of my Cave Mice edition. I have only one Cave Mice edition, which is the first part, the Stone of Fire. Side view, it's written 1, and back side. So instead of Geronimo Stilton, it's written Geronimo Stilton Root. This is not a spelling error. The name is Geronimo Stilton Root. Up next, I have Mice King the Dragon Crown. This was my first ever book, so this is in bad condition. See, first page, side view, back side. Now my last book, Creepera von Crackle Fur, the Suitcase Full of Ghosts. Side view, back side. Instead of Geronimo Stilton, it's written Creepera von Crackle Fur.